been a while vlogging. I don't know how to start. Kita niyo ba sobrang balingin?
Isang araw nagmamaneho sa Cubao.
Oh my god. It's been a while vlogging. I don't know how to start. Later, marami tayong gagawin. Samahan niyo ako. Okay? Tara. Pag nagpatawag ka ng meeting ng 4, 5 p.m. mag-start, di ba?
Yes. Ano yan? For the vlog?
Yeah.
Grabe.
First vlog again, 2026.
Kasi mag-gym ka na. Kasi mag-gym ka na.
Lagyan ko ng puso. Kano kayo katagal, guys?
Ha?
Magkaibigan.
Magkaibigan.
So ngayong Valentine's, happy kayo?
Hindi.
Hindi kayo happy ngayong Valentine's?
Bakit cut yung point?
Tapos na ang 2 meetings for today. Hello guys! So currently kakarating ko lang ng school. Ay, liwanag. Ay, sobrang liwanag naman. So today I have one subject which is a 4-hour class. It's interactive media design. So we'll learn how to create and design a website. So exciting din tong subject na to. So let's go. Init. Hoy! Of course! Hello! Ako lang to.
Wow. Day one.
Yes, it's my day one also vlogging. Yun na yun.
Day one or one day?
The end.
Ay,
Second day ko later. Bakit kaya katawa ko?
parang
Kasi sabi mo yun sa chat, i-update yung
Pinakamagaling mag-makeup sa amin. Single to guys. Ano ba talaga? Single o ano?
Reserved.
Reserved. Reserved. Reserved. Payag ka nila reserved ka. Kukunin ka lang kung kailan ready na.
Magkano na reservation fee? Ay! Ano na? Magkano daw ang one day mo?
Day 1! Grabe kayo mga bashers. Kita nyo ba sobrang balingkinitan ko?
Makmini na sana.
Ganda naman ang blue mo color. Oh, shoutout po kay Ma'am Milet.
Violet yan. Colorblind ka?
Colorblind ako.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we just wait for the others for a few minutes for we have a grace period to proceed here in the laboratory. Okay.
Ba't ba nga kayo namumutya?
Makatingin ba kami sa'yo?
Kayo namumutya. Look. This is my blueprint na hindi ko pa naman napapag-isipan. I'm a good student. Di pa kayo tapos? My God. Hi guys, kakatapos lang ng class. We're going home. Si Erin sasabay lang pa SM. bukas guys, General Assembly ng UB Mac. So, busy na naman ang mga person. Walang klase pero maaga pa rin sa school.
Dadating ako alas 10 na.
Ho.
Ako pa ba ang mali? Diyos ko naman. Maunahan ko pa nga yung president ng UB Mac minsan eh.
Wow.
Wow. Tagalit
Oo,
pa
ha?
siya. Taga Santo Tomas ako.
Wow. Wala tayo mag-joke.
Yeah! Kadiri!
Shout out sa puro reklamo.
Uy! Ikaw talaga bakla ka ng tao.
Sino bakla dito? Walang bakla dito, boy.
Sige nga. Isa mas pala ng ano.
Hello guys. Good morning everyone. So today is Friday and meron tayong event sa org. So today is our second General Assembly for this semester. So we'll be having a long day today. Tas ngayon din pa lang din magaganap yung year end namin ng UB Mac. I'm already late na sa call time pero let's go. Gian.
Good morning.
Taray, maaga. Si Mia kaya.
Late yun.
Ang sakit ng katawan ko.
Late yun, mga 1 hour.
Good morning po.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Say hi to the guys.
You make me fun.
Say hi.
You make me fun.
Hello po.
Ilang kilos na po na ba?
Ewan, sige feeling ko mga isa na.
Day 1, isang kilo.
Naninibago ako ngayon.
Pag-affect ko kanina.
Congrats, nakasurvive ka na dalawang araw na
Day
eh.
3 na ako later.
Nakasurvive na ng 2 araw.
Tara nga, sorry.
Congrats.
Sige, bisita.
We were meant for the midnight, dreaming big on red eye. Took losing it to realize where the souls are living for. Never thought it could be taken. The point of breaking, we were all mistaken. We're louder than we were before. We've been gone for so long, waiting on a new dawn. Now we're coming on strong. We're back, better than ever. We're back, stronger than we've ever been. We're back, legends forever. We're back, stronger than we've ever been. We're
Hi guys, tapos na kami.
Please like, follow, share, and hit the notification bell and subscribe to John Alvin Hertes. I love you!